Alright, y'all. I'm finna shadow box this bum right here. In case you didn't see him. But let's do this. I just hit him with the look, it's a honey bun. It's already raining. Come on, Aspen. I'm gonna get you again. Let's go. Come on.
No.
Come on.
There ain't no way.
Come on. Look at the honey bun. Thunder, get down. Look at the honey bun. It's a honey bun.
Ever since like last year, bro. Alright, come on.
Come on. I'm not finished.
Predict your moves. Come on.
Let's go. Look at the honey bun after you still look.
Alright. Alright, thank you. That was this way.
I saw.
Yo, no, that was a twitch. I saw that.
Come on.
No, it's not twitch. You got a twitch. Get it! If you did not
It's this way.
get it, there ain't no way.
You see?
Hey!
You're double teaming? You double teaming?
Hey! No.
Quit the blade, Jada. No, it's my turn. No. Don't you want to get a belt now?
Wait. I need to get it.
Don't you want for dinner now? Come on, Ashton.
Hey!
Don't you jump for dinner now? Alright, what's time here? Let me get close. I'm ready for this.
And then you're gonna do looking for honey bun.
No! I saw that delay.
I know that was no delay. Come on. No. I feel the game. Most stupid tactic ever.
He won one then. It's 4-1, Jada.
No, it's not.
Come back over here.
Your viewers literally saw that right now.
No. I see these delays.
No. You got those cookies.
Blinking at us. I saw that. I saw that.
I saw it.
It's an up and down.
Hey, you say that. Hey, say that.
No. I'm not finished it. I'm not gonna hit you. I'm not gonna hit you.
You suck so bad. Oh! No, take a ball.
My blood is hitting. You're a thief. You're a thief. Get back out.